Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we have the Instanty Zero Xshot motorized rage fire. So this is like new, and it's really cool. It shoots it has 300 bullets, shoots 90 feet, and shoots like 4 bullets per second. So let's get it open. Okay, so I opened all the stuff, and this is what we got from the box. The first instruction says we have to open up these and connect them, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I connected the whole entire thing. Now it says that there's a little button on the bottom that we're supposed to click or something. See this? I think first we should pull this plug thing, like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna fill every single one up with the rounds. Okay, so I filled the whole thing, and now we have to put it in the slot thing. Then when you're all done, you can put the bullets in this thing, and you click the lock button. You push it up forward. Okay. And then you can push this to start the engine, the motor. And as soon as you pull down, it starts shooting. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.